In this video, we're looking at the Choyong LC90. This is a multi-band AM, FM, long wave, short wave, upper sideband, lower sideband, internet radio. And on a regular basis, the manufacturer sends out free firmware updates to add new features and to improve the ability of this radio. At the moment, I'm listening to CBS News via internet. But let's see if there's an update available for us. We go down to settings, look for version info, push the tuning knob in, and it tells us that there is a new piece of software, firmware, available for us. All we have to do is press the OK button. As long as you have a valid Wi-Fi connection and an SD card in the radio, it'll download the firmware and execute the installation for you. Before executing the update, it reminds you not to press any keys, so patience is a virtue. And of course, you want to do this with a fully charged battery. Music comes on, that lets me know that the radio is finished doing its upgrade. So let's take a look at what's been improved. At the moment, we're listening to KABC out of Los Angeles. So if I want to use the new AI search feature, I hit C button. That just wakes up the screen if it goes out, but hit it again, and now I press the menu button. 25 or 624. I give it the name of a song. It searches. It gives us results, and here we see 25 or 624, the remastered version, another version by Chicago, the original Nuta. So what happens is it finds different versions of that song, or maybe a group that's also associated with the song. So let's play this remastered version. So I push the tuning knob in to select it. The song loads in, it starts playing. Unfortunately, I can't let it play for long because of YouTube, but if you see LCR on the screen, you can press OK, and that will show you the lyrics that are highlighted in red. So as it sings along, or it follows along with the song, unfortunately, depending on the timeout of your screen, it won't stay there for long. So you'd have to set your screen not to time out. Mine's currently set for about 20 seconds. Then it dims out. You could always hit the C function to turn it back on. So this is a great way to learn a song or just sing along with your favorite group. The other improvement is that it is capable of playing more different types of encoded music, meaning that in the past, it would find something, but it wouldn't be able to properly play it. So now that capability has been increased. So chances are when it finds a song, and if it has lyrics, it'll display them for you. And it's a high probability that it will actually be able to play that file. So you can look for all sorts of music. And while I did this in English, it could be in another language. Let's try Spanish. So I hit C to bring up the screen. I want to come out of that mode. I hit menu. Feliz Navidad. It does a search. And of course we get Jose Feliciano. We select it by pressing the tuning knob, and it starts to play. And again, if the lyrics are available, you'll see LRC, and it'll show you the lyrics and it'll follow along. But what if you don't know the name of the song, but you know the name of the group? Well, let's try that. Little Richard. Little Richard, Tutti Frutti, Good Golly Miss Molly, Time Warp. We pick one. It loads in. And you get high fidelity music. And again, if the lyrics are available, they will be displayed. What if I only know the subject of the song? Train. Again, AI goes out, searches the internet. Now we get Train, Train Drops of Jupiter, Hey, Soul Sister by Train, Ozzy Osbourne does Crazy Train, Drive-By Train, Midnight Train to Georgia, Love Train by the OJs, Love Train's Confunction. So it works with as much or as little information as you have. What if you don't have the name of the song or the group that did it, but you know that it's part of a collective group? So Fania All-Stars, let's see if we can find that. Fania All-Stars. And we see that we get Fania All-Stars. We get Pachanga by, I believe it's Ruben Blades, One Pachanga, Ruben Blades. Another member of the Fania All-Stars, which was just a collective name for a bunch of Latin groups back in the 60s. So this actually did a great job of picking that up. Let's try something a little harder. Santana has a brother. He did an album called Malo, which is hard to find these days. So let's see if this can find it for us. Malo. And we get a hit, and here's one of the songs off of that album. No le digas nada. You've picked a song, it's playing, and you decide that's not the song you're looking for. You can go forward to the next song of the list that it presented for you, and it'll play that. Likewise, you can go back to the previous song. So you can literally travel up and down that list that's generated by the AI. You can also use the tuning knob to go forward or backwards from that same list. Even though I bought this radio almost 2 years ago, they just keep on improving it. So it's like getting a new radio every few months. If you found this video interesting or useful, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, join the subscription team. And as always, thank you ever so much for watching.